Good evening, children.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Hamsini. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Madhulika. I think yesterday you didn't come, no?
Sir, what, sir?
Yesterday I didn't see you.
Sir, some network problem, sir. That's why not joined.
Have you studied the passages? Yesterday's.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, today's passage. What about today's passage? Have you read everyone?
Yes, sir.
Means while reading, how you are reading means you are reading out or you are reading reading in your mind.
Sir, not sir. Out only read.
No, you should not read out because in the exam hall you will read in your mind. You have to read in your mind. If you read out in the exam hall means they will let you out. Understood? You have to feel you are in the exam hall means you have to feel that experience. Understood? You have to feel while reading. You must feel that you are in the exam hall, and like that you have to read.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
You are writing exam like that. If you feel means it will be very easier for you to in the exam hall. Okay. So we'll see. So here you means I am giving chance to you because to test your reading speed and understanding way of reading. So that's why means it doesn't mean that you have to read out. Just I am testing you. That's why here you are doing like that. So but in your home and in any way you have to read in your mind. Means without reading out you have to read.
Okay,
Okay. New persons will test. N Revant, have you read before? N Revant. Wait, I will.
sir.
Have you read before? Unmute yourself. I've read these passages before, means before yesterday or day before yesterday. Have you read the passages in the class? Unmute yourself.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you start reading. Miss,
Sir, I am
wait,
not ready, sir.
once. Okay, no problem. So you are not ready also, no problem. But everyone in the class, not only you, listen. While reading, while one of your friend is reading in this class, remaining you all read in your mind. Means you also go on reading. Start reading means already your mics are offered. So that's why you may read at your home. Means only one person read here, read out. But you remaining people read yourself. Okay, na? You start reading and then you will get to know how much fast you are reading and you before how much fast you have completed comparing to this your friends. Okay, so you all try to read, go on reading. Okay, so I will give chance. T Hamsini,
Sir,
are you ready?
sir, your screen is not looking
Yes,
passage.
I will share the screen.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so remaining people go on reading. Okay, okay, you read.
The king of Vijayanagar is. So,
Veera
what is it?
Narasimha Raya. Veera Narasimha Raya.
Veera Narasimha Raya, a
capable minister of him. He ordered his soldiers to bring such a person who could shorten a line drawn on a stone slate without erasing any part of it.
Any part
The
of it.
sol- Okay, sir. The soldiers searched thought of the
Throughout the
Kingdom.
kingdom. Throughout the kingdom.
throughout the kingdom. Many people, seeing the stone slate, said nobody can do this job. A boy by name
Timmarusu.
Sir,
Timmarusu studying in a school near Chandragiri.
studying in a school near Chandragal.
Chandragiri.
Chandragiri drew another
bigger line.
on the stone slate and said it was the answer. The king examined him in many ways and appointed him minister. Timvarsu
while performing ministerial functions.
Learned a number of disciplines. One day,
Deciding to make his son king.
deciding
to make his son king for the empire.
king for the emperor. Sir,
One day, deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veera Narasimha.
sir, just read.
Okay, read.
Asked Tirupati to
Timmarasu.
bring the eyes of his brother Sri
Krishna Devaraya.
and show them to him, having understood the cruel thinking of the king. Tirmarusu to bring the eyes.
Brought the eyes of goat.
Sir, not looking.
Okay.
Sir, okay. Bought the eyes of a goat and made the king believe them to be the eyes is Sri Krishna Devaraya.
Eyes of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay. So, are you read, everyone? Are you read this passage? Okay. So, are you read out or are you read in your mind? Okay, I hope you are read in your mind. Next, you have to improve. I think most of the people, all of you, you have to improve speed reading. You are still lagging behind in speed reading. And how many times you have read? You show your by thumb 5 times or 3 times today's passages. Means the passage you didn't unable to understand properly. Those passage. If you felt any different passage, that passage how many times you have read? 3 times or 4 times or 5 times? Anybody read for 10 times passages? How many hours you have read yesterday or today also? I will unmute you also. I will unmute everyone. So tell me, everyone, how many hours you have read today?
Sir, 3 hours.
Okay, you read for 3 hours. Good, great actually. Okay, very good. You will improve a lot.
For 2 hours.
Great.
Sir, 2 hours.
How many passages in 2 hours? 2 hours, how many passages you have read? 3
Sir, I
passages.
read 4.
4
Sir,
passages.
4.
4 passages, how
Yeah.
many times you have read?
Sir, 5 times.
5 times. Okay, very good. Okay. You have to improve speed. Speed is primary and understanding also primary. Speed and understanding both are primary. Okay. I will read it and I will give words. Okay, I will read. Okay. The king of Vijayanagara, Veera Narasimha Raya. So the king of Vijayanagara, Veera Narasimha Raya, needed a capable minister for him. He ordered his soldiers to bring such a person who could shorten a line drawn on a stone slate without erasing any part of it. The soldiers searched throughout the kingdom. Many people seeing the stone slate said, "Nobody can do this job." A boy by name Timmarusu, studying in a school near Chandragiri, drew another bigger line on the stone slate and said it was the answer. The king examined him in many ways and appointed him minister. Timmarusu, while performing ministerial functions, learned a number of disciplines. One day, deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veera Narasimha asked Timmarasu to bring the eyes of his brother Sri Krishna Devaraya and show them to him. Having understood the cruel thinking of King Timmarasu brought the eyes of gold and made the king believe them to be the eyes of Sri Krishna Devaraya. Okay. How many of you understood this passage? Show your thumb if you understood. Okay, okay. So we'll move to the question, or I have to read once again. Okay, we'll move to the question. Our aim is to read for one time and read it perfectly. So if we have to go through the question and again we can search in this passage. Okay. The soldiers of the king took Timmarusu to the king because. Okay, I will unmute. Wait. The soldiers of the king took Timmarusu to the king because Timmarusu answered the king's question. He ridiculed the king. Timmarusu was very clever. He broke the stone plank into pieces. The soldiers of king took Timmarusu to the king because. Why the soldiers
1, 2,
took the Timmarusu to the king?
3, 2.
The soldiers searched through the kingdom. Many people seeing the stone said, "Nobody can do this." A boy by the name Timmarusu, studying in the school near Chandragiri, drew another bigger line on the stone slate and said it was the answer. The king examined him in many ways and appointed him minister. Timmarusu, while performing ministerial functions, learned a number of disciplines. One day, deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veera Narasimha asked Timarasu to bring the eyes of his brother Sri Krishna Devaraya and show them to him. Having understood the cruel thinking of king, Timarasu brought the eyes of gold and made the king believe them to the eyes of Sri Krishna Devaraya. So what is the answer? The soldier of king took Timarasu to king. The soldiers of the king took Timarasu to the king because Timarasu answered the king's question. He ridiculed the king. Timmarasu was very clever. He broke the stone plank into pieces. What's the answer?
Timmarasu answered the king's question.
Yes, very good. He is one and only person
Sir, option
considering in
one.
here through another big limestone slate said, see, here only there another bigger line and on the stone slate and said it was the answer. Yes, option one. He's answered the king's question. Is all or not there in the passage? Understood? He broke the stone plank? No, he didn't. Timmarasu was clever? No, they didn't mention he was clever. He's a different person. Means he, what they have mentioned, what's the character of Timmarasu in this passage? Timmarasu. Timmarasu. Can anyone say Timmarasu? Timmarasu. What's the character of Timmarasu in this passage?
He is a minister. Sir, minister.
Yes, very good. He is minister.
Sir,
Okay.
minister.
And he is very courageous boy. Such nobody can do this. A boy named Timmarasu studying in the school near Chandragiri drew another bigger line on the stone slate and said the answer. Okay. Timmarasu showed goat's eye to the king because the king was, that was the king's command. The goat's eye resembles the eyes of Sri Krishna Devaraya. He wanted to save Krishna Devaraya. Timmarasu was afraid
He
of Krishna
wanted
Devaraya.
to save Krishna Devanaraya. He wanted to save
So,
Krishna Narayan
one day decided to make his son king in the empire. His brother Sri Krishna
Sir,
Devaraya.
option 3.
Having understood the cruel thinking of king, Timmarasu brought the eyes of goat and made the
Sir,
king
option
believe
3.
them to be the eyes of Sri Krishna.
Option 3.
Three.
Okay. Yes, option 3. He wanted to save the Krishna Devaraya. Yes. Nobody can do this job. This job means to reply the king's command, to serve in the court of Vijayanagara kings, walking in sky, to pluck and bring the eyes of Krishna Devaraya.
Sir, option one. Sir, option one.
To reply king's command. Okay, what's the king's command? What is the command of king? He ordered his soldiers to bring the person who could shorten a line drawn on the stone slate without erasing any part of it. Okay, very good. Veera Narasimha Raya wanted the eyes of Krishna Devaraya. Why? Veera Narasimha Raya wanted the eyes of Krishna Devaraya to keep the eyes of royal family members under custody, to test the cleverness of Timmarasu, as eyes of Krishna Deva were very beautiful, to see that Krishna Devaraya will not come in the way of his sons becoming the next king. What is the answer?
Sir, option four.
Very good, very good. You are very alert. You are talented children. One day deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veera Narasimha asked Timmarasu to bring the eyes of his brother. If we vote, the king won't be, if the blind person won't be the king. So that's why they asked him to bring the eyes of, okay. Having understood that cruel thinking of Timmarasu brought the eyes of goat. Okay, very good. To see that Krishna Devaraya will not come in the way of his son becoming the next king. Okay. Timmarasu was very capable person because he became minister at very early age. He carried out work entrusted to him. He made the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. He assisted Krishna Devaraya in ascending the throne. Timmarasu was very capable person because why he has that much capabilities. What's the reason? He became the minister at very early age. He carried out the work entrusted to him. He made the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. Okay, what's your answer?
Sir, option two. Sir,
Why?
option two.
Why is option 2? He carried out the work of entrusted to him. Why? So, why? Could anyone tell the reason? Timmarasu, while performing ministerial functions, learned a number of disciples. One day, deciding to make his sons king. Okay, here is there, I think. A boy named Timmarasu studying in a school near Chandragiri drew another big line on stone and said it was the answer. The king examined his benefits and appointed him minister. Timmarasu, while performing ministerial functions, learned a number of disciples. One day, deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veeranasimha asked Timmarasu to bring the ice up. Okay, okay. So, to test, Timmarasu was very capable person because he carried out the work entrusted to him. What is the meaning of entrusted?
అపనమ్మకం.
Entrusted. Okay, no Telugu. Okay, no problem. So opposite word of trust. Okay, very good. So the people means the king won't believe in these persons, but he made himself as a trusted person. Okay, trustworthy. So those untrusty works were done by him. Okay. So I will give once again one more chance.
Sir, I will read.
Sir, I will read.
Sir, I will read.
Persons, new persons. Komal, unmute.
Sir,
Okay, start reading.
sir, passage read.
Yes, wait, I will make this. You keep your mobile horizontal. And start reading.
The king of Vijayanagar, Veera Narasimha Rai, needed a capable minister for him. He ordered his soldier to bring such a person who could shorten a line drawn on a stone slate without erasing any part of it. The soldiers searched throughout the kingdom. Many people seeing the stone slate said, "Nobody can do this job." A boy by name Timmarasu, studying in a school near Chandragiri, drew another bigger line on the stone slate and said it was the answer. The king examined him in many ways and appointed him minister. Timmarasu, while performing ministerial functions, learned a number of disciplines. One day, deciding to make his son king for the empire, Veeranasimha asked Timmarasu to bring the eyes of brother Sri Krishna Devaraya son and show them to him. Having understood the cruel thinking of the
Cruel
Timmarasu
thinking of the king.
Timmarasu brought the eyes of a goat and made the king believe them to be the eyes of Sri Krishna Devaraya.
Okay, okay, very good. So shall we go for questions once again, or shall we move for the next passage? You tell.
Sir,
Komal.
fifth question, sir.
Fifth question. Do you want to see fifth question once? Timmarasu was a very capable person because he became minister at very early age. He carried out the works entrusted to him. He made the king believe the Krishna Devaraya was dead. He assisted Krishna Devaraya in ascending the throne. So Timmarasu was very capable person because. So what's the answer?
Option 3.
So actually Timmarasu was very capable because in this question almost every option will be correct answer, because he became minister at very early age. That's also shows that he is capable person. He carried out the work entrusted to him. This also shows that he is capable person. He made the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. Yes, that much capabilities he has, in that courage he has told. So he assisted Krishna Devaraya in ascending the throne. Throne means what?
Sir, this.
That line on the stone. Okay, that he was he was ascending, means he has decreased that stone's line. Okay, but absolute answer will get that he made the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. That for this character, he need more capabilities to tell that to make the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. He need very most capable. So in this time we have to choose first priority. He made the king believe that Krishna Devaraya was dead. So answer is 3. Yes, you
Option
told.
3.
You are already told, na? Good, good. Very good.
Yes.
Excellent answer. Okay, I will give chance to more person. Next new person. Okay, you may read in your mind, no problem. New persons. Okay, Akshara, unmute.
Diamonds are used to very scarable before. Sorry,
Read fast.
diamonds are used very scary.
Diamonds used to be very
Before the 15th
scarcely.
century. They used to own by the only kings and queens. However, every human being is eager to recruit them. From the beginning, diamonds are used to consider valuable.
Considered valuable. Okay,
They
read.
were considered to be valuable because they were scarce. Scarce things have always a high value in the world. Do not they? Diamonds shine brightly in the light of a lamp. Important reasons of the value of diamonds. They is harder and strong of the other thing. Diamonds as obedient in nature are not beautiful. They was polished and brought to beautiful shapes. It is not easy to beautifully cut and polish raw diamonds. Only experts and experienced persons can do such tasks. Only diamonds are used to cut a diamond.
Okay, very good. Okay. So what's in this passage? Diamonds used to be very scarcely available before the 15th century. Means before 15th century. First of all, what is meant by scarcely? So means in this sentence only they have given the meaning. Diamonds used to be very scarcely available before the 15th century. Means before 15th century means 1500. Century means 100, 1500. Before 1500s, they are very scarcely means fear, means they are only dare persons can take the diamonds. Means diamonds are found in some specific places, dangerous places, and in that we have to dig in that places. Not only if you go to a specific place, we don't get like that. So they used to be worn by only kings and queens. Okay, in this sentence you have understood. They used to be worn by kings and queens. Only kings and queens used to worn to their fingers or neck anyway. Okay, those diamonds at that time they used to be worn. Worn means, do you understand? Okay, I hope you understood. I won't tell the meanings because I am also reading in place of you, as I am also studying 5th class right now. They used to be worn by only kings and queens. However, every human being is eager to secure them. Yes. However, every human being is eager to secure them. Secure means security. Save them. Okay. From the beginning, diamonds used to be considered valuable. From the beginning, diamonds used to be considered valuable. They were considered to be valuable because they were scarce. Scarce things have always a high value in the world, don't they? Diamonds shine brightly in the light of lamp. The important reason for the value of diamonds is that they are harder and stronger than anything. So the hardest thing in this world is diamond. Diamonds as obtained in the nature are not beautiful. Means if you obtain from the nature, means while digging from that earth, while digging from some places, they won't look beautiful after digging that. They are polished and brought to beautiful shapes. It is not easy to beautifully cut and polish raw diamonds. It is not easy to beautifully cut and polish raw diamonds. Only experts and experienced persons can do such tasks. Only a diamond is used to cut the diamond. So in before that stores one process then like this. So diamond. So only a diamond is used to cut a diamond. Okay. So this is the easiest passage, but you have to read again and again, at least for 2 times that sentence. If you feel somewhat different, you can read once again, no problem. But main thing is you have to understand the passage. If you understand the passage only, there will be value for that. Means value for your reading or value for your time spent in that reading. Okay. So I have understood. What about you? I will unmute some persons and I will ask. A century means. Now everyone is ready. Century means. Lakshmi person answer. Century means. Unmute yourself. I will ask. I'm asking specific persons. Century means. Century means. Century. Cricket match. Century. Okay. I'm giving others one person. Okay. Next. N. Revant. Century means.
100 years.
Okay. Very good. 100 years. Okay. I think most of the people got. Okay. If you got it, you clap for yourself or you may reward for yourself. Okay. Very good. Next. Diamonds have great value. This is also easy question. Easiest question. Diamonds have great value. In this passage, you no need to go into that much deep and put into your mind. No. You just need, you have to answer this question. For that purpose, you have to keep somewhat understanding in your mind. So diamonds have great value because in this year only 4 options here. They are rarely available. They are valuable minerals. They are very heavy. They have hardness and shining. Diamonds have great value in this passage. So for this specific word, you have to go through passage at that time. No problem. Diamonds very scarcely available before 15. They are secure. However, every human being is eager to secure them. Yes, from beginning, diamonds used to be considered valuable. They were considered valuable because they were scarce. Okay. What's the answer? They're scarce. They mentioned no. So we have to go to next. Scarce things have always high value in the world, don't they? Diamonds shine brightly in the light of lamp. So what's your answer? I'm unmuting you, everyone. Who will tell correct answer? I will see. What's the answer? Diamonds have great value because they are rarely available. They are valuable minerals.
Option 2.
They have hardness and shining. Option 4.
Polished diamond. It has beautifully polished.
Sir, option 4.
Okay. Diamonds used to be considered valuable. They are considered valuable because they were scarce. They are option 4, hardening and shining.
Sir, option 4. Sir, option
Yes,
4.
2 won't come. 1 rarely available. Very heavy. No. Yes, option 4, hardness and shining. Okay, very good. Who told 2? They were valuable minerals. Does diamonds are minerals? I don't know. Okay. Scarce things have always a high value in the world, don't they? This is a question sentence, an addressing sentence, a statement with question tag, a rare sentence. What's that? Scarce things have always a high value in the world, don't they?
Question sentence.
Yes, question sentence, addressing sentence, statement with question tag, or rare sentence. Not rare sentence. Question sentence also. In question sentence, we have to start with first what should be started with what, where, why, but it's not started with what, where, why. So not question sentence. Addressing sentence also not. Answer is 3. A statement with a question tag. Okay, I've understood why the statement
Sir,
with a question
option
tag.
3.
Yes, very good. Till now it's a statement, and here they have given question tag. You remember? I think these all came in systematic grammar. I think you have to watch videos again and again. If it the sentence must have starting what, where, these type of how question marks. Then only it will be the question sentence. But it's not question sentence because it's not started with the don't, those verbs. Verbs are this what, where, like that. So this don't also came at the end of this statement. Okay, third option. Next, raw diamonds are beautiful, dirty, ugly, tender. Raw diamonds.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Ugly. Beautiful.
They are polished gold. First of all, what is mean by raw diamond? Raw diamond.
Sir, beautiful.
Why? What is mean by raw diamond? First of all, raw diamonds.
Ugly.
Yes, very good. Actually, they are ugly.
Ugly.
Why ugly? Who told the answer ugly? Why ugly? Tell me the reason. Raw diamonds are ugly because raw means here they have given diamonds as obtained in the nature are not beautiful. Obtained in the nature means raw. So not beautiful means beautiful opposite what? Ugly.
Ugly.
Opposite word of beautiful? Ugly. Diamonds as obtained in nature. Nature means raw. Means raw diamonds we'll call if they found in nature. Okay. That's why ugly answer. In order to mold diamonds, we need expert and experienced person, polishing machines, raw diamonds of big size, polishing in the light of lamp. What's the answer? Very good. Experts and experienced person. Okay, very good.
Sir, option 1.
Option 1. Okay. So these are last passages now. That's why they are somewhat different. Not difficult, but different questions and different sentences are coming in this passage. Okay, no problem. No need to worry. But you have to read it for 10 times also. No problem. You have to read up to 10 times. Okay, I will give these 4 chances, but you have to complete in but time is ending up. You read at your home and tomorrow I will give you a chance. Okay. So I will tell first you write down in your notes. First, what you have to do. First step, you have to read sentence thoroughly. If one sentence didn't understood, you have to read that sentence again. You have to read that sentence one more time so that you will get understood. Okay. So next point, you have to read fastly, as fast as possible. And by if I am using in this computer means I use with mouse like this. At the end of this sentence, I will use. And you have to give gaps between sentence. You have to understand how many sentences are there in this passage. Means up to here, you have to understand. You have to give gaps between this dot and this one sentence and another sentence. So this is sentence. You have to understand that first priority. So diamonds used to very scarcely available before the 5th century. Okay, enough. So that's the sentence. Next one more sentence. They used it to be won by only kings and queens. Do you understood? Once means they will war. So you have to pick up the sentence. You have to learn sentence perfectly. You have to understand deeply. No need to keep in your mind deeply, but you have to understand it deeply. Understood? Okay, you have to picture in your mind. You have to feel that sentence, and you have to go to that 15th century, means 1500 years, and you have to feel that experience as a movie. Understood? One passage is one movie. You have to feel like that. Then it will be very easier. Okay, do visualization like that. Okay, I will end this meeting. Practice. do this, read